All right, today we're going to be unboxing and giving first impressions on this MDT CKYE-POD Gen 3 single pull. This is an advanced bipod intended for like competition shooting, but it's quite renowned for being, I guess, more or less the pricier option. It's machined with extremely tight clearances, and so Uncle Dano snagged one of these for his big boy gun, where he's going to be doing some precision shooting. Let's see it.
A couple of stickers and
I would hope so.
You can have it. It's all you.
I'm good. I'm not the one with the $600 bipod.
So it goes super wide, and then you can do different angles, maybe. So it's kind of nice. Pick QD comes with that, which is handy. And then the legs obviously extend. Weapon as well.
Spiky.
Yeah, I figured there'd be a little bit more carbon fiber on it, but you know, whatever. Can't have it all. Feels durable though. It's pretty light. Got a tension screw here.
And this is the rifle that is getting the bipod. This is a Masterpiece Arms MPA chambered in 6.5 Creedmoor. This is widely regarded as one of the finest factory precision rifles available today, and it was purpose built for PRS, Precision Rifle Series. So long-range target shooting in precision competitions is kind of they go hand in hand with this thing. It's a really cool setup. I'll let him work the action here in a second, but it's looking really good with this new bipod. And yeah, I think Uncle Dano's going to have some fun with this.
It's not too bad, folding stock. So, about 35 pounds.
Jeez.
Something like that. Adapter for this digital level here. That's my plan. Vortex Gen 3, 6 to 36.
It's a beefy one.
Yeah, it's a thick boy for sure.
As always, we greatly appreciate you watching our videos. Hope y'all enjoyed this quickie with Uncle Dano. Please stay tuned for other videos, and we will see y'all on the next one. Take care.